You may have seen the super eye-catching marquee letters in many daily scenes. What's up, homie? I'm Tony from LCSIGN. There are different types of marquee letters. In addition to the common marquee formats, we can also manufacture some new marquee bodies with artificial flowers, balloons, flexible neon tubes, rusty paint, etc., made from stainless steel, aluminum, and galvanized steel. Then marquee bulbs are placed in form, a very attractive and creative marquee, commonly used for decoration in stores, parties, gatherings, and other indoor and outdoor occasions. We can also customize the coating to your difficult needs. Why choose LCSIGN as your signage supplier? For brand advantages, as an advertising sign manufacturer with nearly 14 years of experiences, LCSIGN has become complete equipment, professional team, mature experiences, and skills. For products advantages, we choose high quality materials for our products. Take Marquee Letters as an example. Compared with other brands, our double-sided rings are made of a galvanized plate paint material, which is stronger than double-sided iron rims. Besides, our screws are made of 304 grade stainless steel and will not rust. For after-sales services, LCSIGN offers 1-year warranty to increase customer satisfaction. You want to get the perfect signage like that? Click the WhatsApp button below to get free quote now. Follow us for more. Thank you for watching and see you next time.